Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm doing the T-Bird challenge put out by Jason at Diecast Carnut, and it's going to be a small video because I don't have too many T-Birds. We have this one, of course, from the Thelma and Louise movie. Awesome T-Bird convertible. 66 Ford T-Bird, Thunderbird. Very nicely kept, of course. But they also came out with the dusty, dirty, old, been through 5 or 6 counties, outrunning police edition. Yeah, all desert dirt right there. That looks really cool. I like that. I like how they did that. This is the only loose one I have, I believe. They might have came out with another one that had a hard top on it, and I can't remember where it's at. But yeah, like I said, not too many. Second one comes, or the third one is in this set here. It's got a Dodge, it's got a little diner, but it's got this red T-Bird here. There's a 57 in red, yellow flames. Awesome. I do run across these a lot in loose, but they're so beat up. Very well used. And then I got this one. Same model, 57. White with flames. Yep. And that's gonna end this video, guys. If you get a chance, check out Jason's Diecast Carnut, his challenge, and if you can participate, do it. Alright, guys, take care.